Hey, welcome back to part 3 of the unboxing review of the Ozark Trail Outdoor Equipment 12-piece camping tool set. Unfortunately, my camera cut off right before we got to the actual flashlight test. But it is pretty darn bright. Wow, this thing is super duper bright. Let me see how bright this actually is. Let me go actually test this thing out. Yeah, this thing is like, whoa, super bright. So that's out. Let's push it in. Oh my god, it's like staring at an eclipse, you know? This thing is like, dang, you know what you say, don't stare at the sun? You just stare at the sun. Oh my god. I mean, the other one throws light more focus into one little spot. But this thing, when it says it could light up a room, it could really just about light up a room. Not the whole room, but I want to say but maybe about a quarter of a room. Hey, I might even fib a little bit and say about half a room. But that's about it, you know. I mean, wow. I don't know about you, but I would have it a little bit smaller and be brighter than to have it, you know, be longer and focus light at one particular point. Like, let's say, you know, right there, the little hatchet. There you go, I throw light, one particular item, point, the hatchet. Now, if I were to go smaller, now you can see the sheath, the other knife, the paracord, and the bots, you know, so, yeah. The little flashlight, oh man, that's like the best thing right there. Now let me go ahead and turn on these lights. So yeah, I mean, it says it has 3 modes. What was the third mode? Let me read the bots again. 3 modes: high, low, and flash. Okay, we've seen the high and we've seen the low, but where is the flash at? Oh, there's the flash. You gotta put down like 3 to 4 times to get that flash. Let's go. 1 is the flashlight, 2 is off, 3 is flashlight. So 1 on, 2 off, 3 on, 4 off, 5. Yeah, if you want to get into the flash mode, it's random. Sometimes in free quits, it'll go to the flash. Sorry if anyone has epilepsy, you know, warning flash. But, yeah. The flashlight, high and low, works perfectly fine. Getting to go into the third mode, the flash mode, that's a little bit of trickiness because, excuse me, it doesn't exactly go into flash mode. Sometimes, like I said, you turn it on, you turn it off, you turn it on, very quick. It's in, you know, flash mode. Other times, on, off, on, off, on, 5 times. It seems like the flash mode is always going to be some random number to get onto the flash mode. Now, what can you use this piece for? I don't know. It's not really big enough to go on there, and you can't really get to stick. But I guess you could kind of give it somewhat of a red light. You know, if you have this. But this is just, you know, really for the battery, so they don't die out. But yeah, let me kind of get all these things out of here, so you can really see everything that you get. there, you're going to get hatchet sheath, knife sheath, machete sheath, 2 carabiners, sharpening stone, ferro rod, your hatchet with 3 different nut sizes for like nuts and bolts and stuff, your knife, your machete, paracord, and flashlight. The knife ain't that bad. I'd say it's a pretty okay knife. So if I had to pick 2 things out here that's great, I mean, we don't know about the ferro rod. Let's see. Okay, I probably should have done that a little bit farther away so it won't catch the sheath on fire. Okay, I'm going to stop playing with this because I have a feeling that I'm going to catch the paracords or the sheaths on fire. But hopefully you can see that, yeah, it does work. So the fire starter, ferro rod works. Sharpening stone, they don't say if it's a wet stone, dry stone, or oil stone. They just say sharpening stone. So also they don't say what type of grit it is. Because, you know, there's like fine ash sharpening stones. And this sharpening stone seems to be marking up the knife more than sharpening. And it's taking away the edge on it and putting more burrs on there. So I will showing this up with one of my other better knife sharpeners. But I suppose if you're in a pinch, you're in a survival situation, it will get the job done eventually. But yeah, this kind of useless. There's better ones out there. This, it worked, so 3 pieces that worked, maybe 4 pieces that I like. Paracord, flashlight, definitely number 1. I'm going to say knife, but maybe number 3. So if I had to rank these in order, flashlight's 1, number 2, number 3, number 4. Top 4. We don't even get a top 5. Top 4. Is this a good deal to buy it? Should you buy it? Yeah, I'm going to say yes. Because, you know, just like I mentioned before in part 1, the prices of just one of these pieces alone was more than the whole box. And if you buy, you know, this and this, you're already at about the whole box. So, for about $15, the whole box, you really can't go that wrong. Of course, a lot of them, it's going to need a little bit of work on the blades. So if you have a better knife sharpener, use it. But straight out of the box, the blade, the point on it, very good point. I'm very satisfied with the point on this because I've had other ones, like, you didn't only stab them into the piece of wood and they're all the way bent right out of the box. You know. Flashlight's like definitely not one of the best things about this. Although I wish the flash mode would be a on, off, on, third time flash mode. That's a little bit annoying, but for the brightness, yeah, it's one of the best ones so far that I have reviewed for a flashlight. But yeah, anyway, links down below in the description to the websites and stuff. And don't forget to hit that notification bell, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and leave a comment down below. Alright, thanks, bye.